Welcome back to the last tutorial of the zoning report tutorial series. I'm going to discuss how to get unlimited zoning reports. So if you're getting, if you're interested in more than 7 reports in a single month, right? If you're seeing that you want all of these reports, it might be better to go into our other product called Pro, and Pro has all the zoning parameters for every property in the city of interest for $199 a month. So if you're seeing that you're getting that this is very useful, this product gives you all the zoning information for every property in the city. And that's how you get unlimited zoning reports. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch. And with that, thank you so much for listening to our series on zoning reports.